We took the most frequently asked and the most urgent technology questions straight to the Commercial UAV Expo professionals gathering at the Commercial UAV Expo 2025 held in Las Vegas. This WISP report addresses the question regarding how will drones change enterprise data strategy. Figure 1 represents the 5 strategic shifts coming for the enterprise due to drone mandate. Number 1. Start with the strategy, not the drone. Like many newer technologies, it is easy to fall into the trap of spending budget on the shiny thing everyone is talking about. But there is a reason the best CIOs and CTOs ask what you are trying to accomplish versus rubber stamping the technology acquisition, as DroneOps USA Jason San Souci explained.
So enterprises that are using drones are starting the wrong way. They're starting with what equipment's out there. They see the shiny things that are out here in this industry and they're like, man, what can I do with that? No, they're doing it wrong. They need to look at what outcomes that they need to actually, that they're doing it.
Jason San Souci explained further.
I want to know what the data is going to be used for, what the analytics are going to be, so therefore I can work backwards. What equipment do I need? What accuracies do I need? I can't answer those questions at the beginning, right? It's kind of like saying, I have this tool, I have a hammer, and I have a piece of wood. I want to go build a house. You're not going to do that. You're not going to build a house. You have to be like, you know what? I want to build a house. What materials do I need to be able to do that? What specialties do I need? What experts do I need? What subcontractors do I need? What's the timeline? What's the budget? What's all those things? That's working the right way. People in this industry have been doing that wrong a long time.
But starting with the technology versus the problem isn't the only issue. The existing data strategy might be outright ignored.
So enterprise data strategy is something that's been underlooked and underfunded for a long time, because what they're doing is they're keeping a lot of this data in silos, and they're not using their existing enterprise data to augment or enhance the data that's coming from any robotic system, drones, uncrewed systems, whatever it happens to be. So they're putting them in another silo, and that's a huge mistake.
Welcome to WISP Report. How will drones change enterprise data strategy? Video edition. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors LLC. The answer is always in the Whispers. Join the Whisper Club tier for advanced access to Whisper reports. Number 2. Data volume and multi-use potential. Most organizations do not really appreciate what big data truly is before they start working with the volume of data that comes from any sensor-based solutions, including the numerous sensors on UAVs. Aloft's Kevin Teen provided a meaningful example to demonstrate how the data volumes expand rapidly.
And so let's say we send a pilot out for a survey or a construction update. While they're out there, there are other opportunities. We don't need to send another pilot out or launch a drone in the box or something like that to go look at something specific, go inspect this bolt, or go check this roof for leaks, or for, where it might need paint or something along those lines. From that initial flight, from that initial data capture, we can then reuse a lot of that information and even kind of go back over time. Let's say there's a rust spot developing on an oil tank or something like that. We could go back and identify how frequently this happens, how long has this issue not been caught yet.
Kevin went on to further explain that optimizations are indeed possible.
I think the multi-use of the data that we're collecting is going to be an important part of how we streamline and pull all that information out together.
Multi-use was a big term we heard repeatedly at the Commercial UAV Expo during all conversations involving data. Barry Paul of Blue Nose Drones contended.
Not only can we do what the problem is that we need to solve right then, but there's a lot of other things that can be utilized out of what a drone can collect for them. What kind of data? What other use cases or problems can we solve for a company?
As Central UAS Technologies' Bill Reynolds nicely summarized.
The enterprise data demand that drones will put onto agencies and companies is immense in terms of the size, both in imagery and aerial applications.
If you haven't felt it yet, the data wave from UAVs is coming to an enterprise near you. Number 3, collaboration and cross-industry integration. Now that we realize the data will be voluminous, each organization should organize and efficiently repeatedly leverage data for multiple purposes. Our next challenge arrives. How do we get collaboration within the industry or sector or even cross sector? As Zephyr's Dustin Brewer noted,
I think it's going to take a collaborative effort between several of us that do collect data from our enterprise use cases like search and rescue, DoD, and being able to integrate those into other parts of the industry and have some of that cross communication. I think that's going to increase collaborative efforts and more of a community effort in order to provide pilots the information that they need to either increase their skills or apply that to their industry that they're either working towards or working within.
identification of a lost child by drone has much in common with identification of a destructive and invasive animal in a massive crop. But some sharing of the data may not be optional. Kenji Sugahara from Oregon's Department of Aviation clarified.
Drones will definitely change your data strategy, especially if you're working in a government environment, because all that data that is acquired is for the public record.
But what if you strictly work with private industry? Kenji has news for you as well.
With private industry, there will be increasing data storage requirements, especially under Part 108 in the proposed rule that it is. What it proposes under Part 108 is data retention. So will be data retention requirements. So not only for flight data, but you're also talking about personnel data. You're also talking about training data. You're talking about maintenance data. So there's going to have to be a comprehensive data management strategy.
Number 4, infrastructure and compliance challenge. All of the data and collaboration or regulatory sharing requirements create infrastructure and compliance challenges. As Buzz Solutions' Vik Chaudhry emphasized,
where they have purchased all these UAVs, aerial vehicles, drones, they're doing a lot of inspections. But as you can imagine, with these kind of mobile sensors, there's a lot of data that is generated. So at the enterprise level, utilities face a challenge on how to store and manage all that data. That's where they are trying to build cloud infrastructure platforms within their systems. Obviously, that has to satisfy their IT and cybersecurity compliance. But they are also looking for software platforms that can visualize all this data, especially imagery.
with the mountain of technical challenges, it is easy to lose sight of the goal. As Vik went on to further explain,
How can they store the data at a large scale? How can they make the system more robust? But also, how can they derive insights from that data? Because that's where the real power is. Collecting the data is one piece, flying your drones is one piece, but the whole other challenge starts when you have to derive the insights from that data.
as summarized by flight-based Deep Gupta.
What do I do with this much data?
Number 5. From data to insight. The problem, as articulated by Aloft's Kevin Teen, is here.
We are now just collecting a ton of more information, more data than we were getting before.
The challenge, as clarified by flight-based Deep Gupta, is real.
How do I gather insights? How do I save time?
Our mission must be a complete solution, as shared by Buzz Solutions' Vik Chaudhry.
How can they make the system more robust, but also how can they derive insights from that data? Because that's where the real power is. Collecting the data is one piece, flying your drones is one piece, but the whole other challenge starts when you have to derive the insights from that data.
If you are faced with data silos and a fleet of drones and don't know where to start, or are not sure you are in the correct path, this is the exact time to schedule an inquiry with your analyst. This has been Whisper Report. How will drones change the enterprise data strategy? The answer is always in the whispers. Thank you for joining the Whisper Club tier. We appreciate you.